Today I'm going to be doing the slowest 3x3 solve ever recorded. First, let's do a normal solve. Yes. And now, let's get to the slowest solve ever. Here we go. And done with the cross. That took a while. And the first F2L pair is done after 11.5 minutes. Time to go to the next one. Alright, the third F12 pair is done, and we're 23.5 minutes in. Time to start on the fourth one. Ooh. Alright, it's been just about 33 minutes and I'm done with F2L. Now it's been 33. Alright, time to start OLL. Alright, 47 minutes in, and OLL is done. Alright, 54 minutes in, and I just have to do this A-perm to finish it off. And done. 1 hour, 59.26 seconds. I almost messed up the OLL case, which would have been bad because it probably would have taken about 2 hours to solve the rest of it. Alright, I want to do one more fast solve. Oh, feels good to solve fast again. If you want to see more awesome challenges like this, then make sure to subscribe and like this video.